not warmed up yet.
Yeah.
All right, my beardies, what is up? We're back out here, out at the bottoms again. See a single dork?
What?
Goofy over here. Figured we'd go ride. And of course, we've been making t-shirts. Got the mullet Moto out here. Mullet Moto thinks he knows how to ride. Let's see. Whoa, don't eat it, man! Damn, they went up that too. Look, they were up in there too. God damn, dude, you'd think that big ass machine would have flipped right there in that ditch like that. Dang, Billy, there's where my couch went. I'm not kidding, that's, or I'm kidding, that's not my couch, I'm not kidding. That guy's not kidding, that's his couch! Alright, so we're gonna go back here a little ways and up the road. Off into the woods. Right here. That would have sucked, dude. I almost biffied it on this.
Son.
He almost biffied it.
Oh shit! Yeah, right.
Dude, that shit is... Get some speed! Said that. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Damn. I don't think anybody's been back up this way in a minute.
What's the helmet for?
Dude, I kind of want to go over in there.
Yeah? He rides with his gloves loose like that. I better find a different way down.
There ain't really no possible way to slide way and see if we can go down somewhere over there. Just get some speed through that right there and you'll make it. I said get some speed through there and you'll make it. Just go on this side, like right here. Don't go in that one because that one's way. I'm gonna try to, so just try to hit it like I do. Watch. Hell yeah. Hey, if you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking. Hey, if this gate's open down here, I think we ought to make a run down that road and see what it looks like on the river that way. Because remember yesterday when we rode down here with your dad, it was open. Somebody done drove through all that. First time being back here. Damn, that's a hole there. Fall in one of those, dude, that sucks. Tell where people's gone up and down. Dude. Bro, that would be kind of a cool hill climb to go up and down if it had more room right there. Yeah. Wasn't so much shit in there. He's coming. So I guess that's just a little spot you can get to the river there to fish. Can you do a wheelie, man? It'd be really cool if you did. can tell. But that's a steep ass hill. Look at this. Ugh. Oh man. You don't think you can make it?
No.
I'm gonna try it. Woo boy. Talk about adrenaline rushing. Alright. We're gonna see if we can make it up. That's what I'm talking about, baby! Yeah! Hey, Zach! You still there? Hey! Alright, I gotta try it one more time. I could say one thing, with that new sprocket on there, dude, that helped a lot, bro.
Yeah?
If I would have had the other sprocket on there, it probably wouldn't go up that hill. Go up that hill.
Alright.
Alright. Now I'll let you
hit something and you fly forward, I know not to go.
Alright, fair enough, fair enough. Wow! Got it? Alright, hell yeah, he got it. Ken's got it. Hey, stand like right there. I'm gonna come up this hill. Oh shit! My chain came off. Yeah, oh, dude. Oh. Bro, shit. No! Don't fall over, baby. Ugh. Oh. I'd say I probably would have made it if that wouldn't have came off. She did not like that one there, neither, boy. It's a little warm. I'm glad we didn't wear the hoodies, bro. That's a big hill, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, that hole there, that's a deep hole. I had my dad's four-wheeler buried in that thing, all damn near up to the motor. It took like 2 hours to get it pulled out, bro. It was Jesus.